Hey everybody, this is Ozark Pepper 1, going for a walk before it gets too dark. I see everybody's going crazy buying toilet paper and stuff and Lysol and cleaning stuff. That's retarded. It's not going to do you any good if it's real. Just wasting your time. You either got a good immune system or you don't. If you're planning on being around people, you can buy all the cleaners you want. It's still going to get you. It'll get all of us if it's real, but I don't think it is. I think everybody's just freaking out for nothing. We'll know here in a few weeks. But I don't see the point. You know, if you're living right and doing what you're supposed to be doing, I wouldn't even worry about that stuff. I certainly don't worry about it. While you guys are all out there buying toilet paper and stuff, I just sit right here at the house and just live as I normally live. And I think most of you guys did too, same way. We did our preparing a long time ago. The number one thing that you need to prepare for is when you die, where you go afterwards. You can have all the nice things in this world you want, but it's not going to do you any good if you have a heart attack and die. You're going to have to worry about your neighbors. You're going to have to worry about your people from out of town. Because what's going to happen is we're having an economic collapse, and that's just a big distraction. And while everybody else is in a frenzy doing that, they're not looking at their 401ks disappearing. So, big wake-up call's coming. It's funny watching these sheep just change their rhythm all of a sudden. Everybody's like, I don't know what you're worried about. America's been through these problems before. And the next day they're out there buying toilet paper like a bunch of idiots. I haven't been making too many videos because I don't have a very good phone like I did. That's all I've ever used was an old iPhone. But I look to see more laws, more regulations, more cracking down on people. That's ultimately what they want. So, this is just a little short walk. And I don't want to throw too many minutes on here. Let's take a look down through these woods here. Look at that. I'm holding the phone perfectly level. To give you an idea, that's a deep valley right there. That's a junk pile that one of my relatives made. And see, this is perfectly level here. Look at that hill. It goes way up there. I don't know. People waste their time and their lives worrying about frivolous things. Nobody needs a new car. Nobody needs a new truck every other year. Trying to keep up with their neighbors. You don't have to try to impress people. It's just a waste of energy. There's always somebody with something better. And always will be. There's always somebody that can outdo somebody because there's always a younger person to grab the torch and run with it. But I guess I'll get off of here. You guys have a good rest of your week. Ozark Pepper 1 out.